This video on the top 10 questions for a divorce lawyer is brought to you by CaliforniaLawyerinfo.com. If you have a very simple case with minimal financial issues and no children, you may feel comfortable hiring a less experienced family law attorney. However, if you're facing a contested divorce case that involves substantial assets, complicated financial questions, or a complex custody dispute, you should look for an experienced attorney that specializes in family law and has experience with the particular issues involved in your case. We've provided a few questions that you might consider asking during your initial interview with a family law attorney. These may help you determine whether this lawyer is right for your case. Number 10. What can you do to help me understand the tax effect of the decisions that I will have to make? Number 9. Based on what you know about my case, how would you predict a judge would rule on it? Number 8. Do you allow me to negotiate directly with my spouse? How can I keep the cost of my divorce down? And are there any tasks that I can do myself to cut down on the amount that you will charge me? Number 7. What's your estimate for the total cost of this divorce? Now, don't be alarmed that most divorce attorneys will resist answering this question, as the cost of the divorce depends greatly upon the level of conflict within your individual case. However, the way attorneys answer this question may help you to size them up. An honest attorney will often answer that it is difficult to estimate the costs in advance. An attorney that gives you an unrealistically low amount may just be trying to get your business and may not have your best interests in mind. Number 6. What costs, other than your own, do you expect will be involved? For example, private investigators or forensic accountants, physicians and/or psychologists, and how will you charge me for those extra costs? Number 5. How will you charge me? What is your hourly rate? Do you charge for the time I spend with other lawyers, with paralegals and/or with secretaries? And if so, what's those rates? And what is your retainer up front? Number 4. Will anyone else in your office be working on my case? What experience do they have? And can I meet them? Number 3. How long do you take to return phone calls and messages? How do I get a hold of you if there is an emergency? And what do you consider to be an emergency? Number 2. What is your strategy for my case? And how long would it take to actually get this case resolved? And finally, number 1. Do you specialize in divorces, or are divorces just a part of your practice? How long have you been practicing family law? How many family law cases have you handled? And are you a certified family law specialist? Keep these questions in mind and you should get a great answer and end up with a wonderful divorce attorney. For more information on this and other topics, please visit CaliforniaLawyerinfo.com or visit us at Twitter or Facebook for the latest updates.